Magnus Carlsen is more than just a Grandmaster, he's a phenomenon. Today we're going beyond the basics. With a peak rating of 28-82 and a 125-game unbeaten streak, his dominance is unprecedented in history. We've distilled his genius into 10 master rules. This is your 6-minute guide to playing like the GOAT. Rule number 1, play with purpose. Carlsen teaches us that in chess, every single move must contribute to a larger plan. There are no aimless moves. Whether it's seizing a square or creating a subtle threat, every piece has a job to do. Think of his move h4 against Anand. It seemed subtle, but it was the start of a deep kingside attack. Purpose is power. Rule number 2, develop actively and quickly. Your pieces shouldn't just be out, they should be on their best squares. Carlsen treats development like a race. His pieces are always in a hurry to reach squares where they exert maximum influence. A bishop on c4 isn't just a piece, it's a weapon eyeing the opponent's king. Don't just move, develop with intent. Rule number 3, centralize your pieces. The center is the high ground of the chessboard. Control it and you control the game. A centralized knight controls 8 squares and can pivot to any part of the board. It's an octopus that suffocates the enemy. Carlsen's use of central outposts is legendary. Once a piece lands there, it becomes nearly impossible to dislodge. Rule number 4, understand pawn structure. Pawns are the soul of chess. They determine the terrain where your army fights. Every pawn move is permanent. Carlsen meticulously avoids creating weaknesses while forcing his opponents into structural decay. Target backward pawns. Target isolated pawns. Once you create a crack in their structure, Carlsen shows us how to exploit it. Rule number 5, prioritize king safety. No matter how strong your attack, if your king is exposed, you're at risk. Carlsen never compromises on security. He castles early and ensures a solid pawn shield before launching his offensive. A safe king allows your other pieces to work with total freedom. Don't leave your monarch in the crossfire. Rule number 6, don't move your queen too early. The most powerful piece is also a massive target for the enemy. Bringing the queen out prematurely often leads to loss of tempo as she's chased around by smaller, less valuable pieces. Carlsen develops his minor pieces first, saving the queen for the moment when she can strike with maximum impact. Rule number 7, coordinate your pieces. In Carlsen's games, no piece is left behind. Everyone is invited to the party. A well-coordinated army is exponentially stronger than individual pieces acting alone. Harmony is the hallmark of his play. Whether it's rooks doubling on a file or a knight supporting a bishop, coordination is how you break a tough defense. We're through the first 7 rules. Now, let's look at the advanced tactics that truly set Magnus Carlsen apart. Rule number 8, play on both sides of the board. Carlsen is a master of creating multiple threats simultaneously. By attacking on both the king side and queen side, he forces his opponent to defend in 2 places at once, leading to mistakes. It's the dual front approach. When the opponent focuses on one side, Carlsen strikes on the other. It's a relentless squeeze. Rule number 9, the endgame squeeze. This is where Carlsen's legend was truly born. He is the master of the long game. He converts the smallest advantages, a single pawn, a slightly better king, into a certain victory through pure technique. In his hands, the king becomes a weapon. He centralizes it, pushes pawns, and slowly tightens the screws on his opponent. He doesn't need a flashy checkmate. He just needs to make the win inevitable. That is the power of the Carlsen squeeze. Finally, rule number 10, adaptability and pragmatism. Carlsen has no fixed style. He plays what the position demands. He can be a calm positional grinder or a sharp tactical attacker. He adapts to his opponent's weaknesses relentlessly. He learns from every game, adjusting his openings to stay ahead of the latest theory. Pragmatism is his ultimate weapon. To play like Magnus, you must integrate all these rules. It's not about one move, it's about the whole philosophy. Coordinate your pieces, control the center, and never lose sight of your purpose. Chess is an art of continuous improvement. And don't forget the psychological side. Stay calm under pressure, just as Carlsen does in the most intense blitz matches. The clock is your friend if you remain composed. Panic is the only thing that can truly defeat a prepared player. Mastery doesn't happen overnight. It takes thousands of games and a relentless commitment to these principles. Study his games. Analyze your own mistakes. Every loss is just a lesson on the path to becoming a better player. As the game evolves, these rules remain the foundation. Carlsen has shown us that the basics, mastered, are unbeatable. So, take these 10 rules, apply them to your next match. Feel the difference in how you see the board. You may not become a world champion today, but you will start thinking like one. And that is where victory begins. Thanks for joining this masterclass. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the game. Good luck on your journey to chess mastery. We'll see you on the board. Start winning today.